and welcome back, everyone. If your SIM card is not being detected on your Android phone and you're looking out for fixes, in this video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So the first method we can do is we can restart our phone, hold the power button for that, and you should be finding a restart option. You can just go ahead and tap on that option right there and confirm it up. When you do, that should often fix the issue because a simple reboot can often fix the temporary glitches. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and toggle the airplane mode on for a few seconds and turn it off. So go ahead and access your quick settings panel, and from there look out for the flight mode option. Turn it on for a few seconds, and once you turn it on, you can turn it back off by tapping on it again, and that will turn off the airplane mode on your device, and that should refresh your network. You can just go over and force the phone to re-establish a cellular connection. Also, reset your network connections. Go to your phone settings for that, open it up, and once you open up your phone settings, you can go ahead and tap on search and search for network. After that, you can look out for this option called Reset Network Settings and tap on it. And you can reset your network settings back to their defaults, and that will not erase your personal data. Also, within your settings, what you may do is you may hit back and scroll down and find the option for software update and tap on it. And from here, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date, as this can also fix the known bugs. And that is it. If the problem still persists, your SIM card may be fully faulty. You can contact your carrier to get a replacement SIM card. You can just go ahead and do so and follow up the process to fix it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.